This is my 2025 Chevy Brightdrop Zevo 400. I've been living full-time in this electric cargo van for 11 months. My name's Gus, and this is the Gus Bus. Stepping into the mudroom and cockpit, we've got the jumper seat here. Underneath that is Milo's litter box. Over here we have my well-traveled cat Milo in his bed. At my current efficiency and 100% charge, this baby will traverse 310 miles over land. Lots of storage space, overhead and the interior front trunk, equipped with Apple CarPlay, radar cruise control, lane assist, and 360-degree bird's eye view cameras. So she backs up with ease and I get to enjoy these priceless views from my bed, TV, and computer. I designed the bedroom as a convertible space so that if I have someone with me, we can sit down for some dinner and have a good conversation with a nice view. This is my pantry, and over here I've got overhead clothing storage just above the bed. On the right hand side I've got my sock drawer and some more overhead clothing storage. Back to the left hand side, this is my beautiful kitchen with a double induction stovetop, above the range ductless microwave. It's an ongoing project, so I don't have running water to my sink yet, but I do have drainage. I also still need to get some cabinet doors down here. This is my refrigerator and freezer. Moving back over to the right hand side, I've got the bathroom and closet. This is the bathroom. Simple small tank that I empty weekly. I don't like holding on to waste. I only use this to pee. I have a bag system for number 2s, then I toss that shit. This is my bookshelf. I only read Tolkien. Couple hanging miscellaneous items, my Milwaukee charger and Starlink. On the other side of the closet, I've got my parks passes, and then my utility closet where I keep my broom and my mop. This is my dirty laundry. Below my bookshelf, I keep my tea, coffee, protein shakes, my vacuum. Below all of that is my EcoFlow Delta Pro power station that allows me AC to DC conversions for my high output appliances. Designed to be secure, yet removable. It wedges in place like so. I tinted my windows and got the visor strip. I also added this vinyl license plate. Coming around back to the garage, I've got some shelving for tool storage. And for nearby trips when there's no need to move the van, I've got my Bugatti scooter down here that sits below the dining room table. That's the Gus Bus. Life is pretty good on board.